Welcome to me and my fresh face of Sunday Riley skincare. I did a haul. So much Sunday Riley skincare products to go over. Make sure that you watch this video. I go over so many different things from 3 different Sunday Riley lines and really pick out hero products and what I think will work best for you guys. God bless you. Why is it so cute when dogs sneeze? Yeah, Don Pepe's done a huge skincare revamp. When we met, he had crow's feet, he had discoloration, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, rosacea. Now he's perfect. Let's talk packaging. It's like when you receive an invitation in the mail and it sets the tone for an entire event. That's how I feel about this skincare line. Everything is so well done. Brand is broken down into 3 different categories. I'm going to go over each one, what they do, and what products are best for you and your skin type. You'll notice right from the start on the packaging, they make it very clear. You have your orange, your green, and your blue. Of course, you can mix and match from different lines, as I have done while trying out my Sunday Riley products. But each line is divided up to help cater towards different skin needs. Blue is for all skin types, but has a lot of ingredients in it that really help with hydration and more mature skin. Most people's skin doesn't fall into one category. I know I have dry combination skin, but I still break out. Very interested in trying this product since it has a lot of the ingredients that I look for when treating my skin. It has sulfur, niacinamide, zinc, there's even tea tree oil in here. So I like adding on a mask like this to do 1 or a couple times a week, even as a spot treatment overnight, to help just make sure that I'm keeping any breakouts at bay. It actually has a really creamy texture to it, which is very different from other sulfur masks that I've used. Now I'm going to reach into the blue line of products and talk about the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. This is a highly hyped product. The blue tansy in the product is why it gets the color that it gets. So don't be worried, it will go onto your skin clear, but it starts out blue. How fun! So I have found an oil that works for my skin, isn't drying it out, still giving it the anti-aging benefits that I'm looking for. I'm just absolutely in love with it. It's also that perfect consistency of an oil where it's not too slippery, just absorbs really, really nicely. The recommended order of use for these products is to use the Luna Sleeping Night Oil and then follow up with Good Genes. I think it's fair to say that Good Genes is the product in Sunday Riley that people have seen, people know it for, people want to try it out. What is it, right? Why is everyone talking about it? So I did my research before using the product. I don't love experimenting unless it's for the sake of the Sloane Series, because you never know what's going to happen. But when I saw that the ingredient in it that they're using to exfoliate your skin is a lactic acid, I became a lot calmer. A lot of different names of acids get thrown around when people talk about exfoliating. There's lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. There's so much happening in the skincare world when it comes to different products and what they do. And now there's so many different ways to get really, really high quality ingredients at home. What I love about a lactic acid is it still feels very hydrating. It still helps to exfoliate the skin, get rid of the dead skin cells. Lactic acid still keeps my skin looking hydrated, but still exfoliating, fine lines, all the things that you're looking for when you're exfoliating. You're only going to use a small amount of this product. It says 1 to 2 pumps, but 1 is enough for me. And I apply it directly over the oil. Hello? Is everyone else getting 100 calls from unknown numbers a day now? Hero product for a reason. I am seeing amazing results. Love it. Very, very happy. This is sticking with me. If I did the whole haul just to find this product, worth it. But guess what? That's not the case because, oh my goodness, there's so much more that I'm excited about. The autocorrect eye cream has been incredible for my skin. I love that it has caffeine in it. I also want to show you guys how to apply eye cream right now. So I just did half a pump on my ring finger. It's the weakest finger of the bunch. Wow, this is a weird thing to do and looks super weird. Anyway, and since your under eyes are so soft and the skin is so delicate and sweet, you don't want to use a finger that's too strong. I go like this to help distribute the product evenly between both hands. Hello. Hi, my fingers are talking to each other. And then just around the orbital bone, not too close to the eyes. Tap, 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 tap. The reason why you put eye cream around your orbital bone and not really close to your eyes is because it can make your eyes poofy if you get anything in them. And believe me, it moves around. This is how it works best. Feels like a nice mix between a heavy cream and a serum. I have an instant effect after using this where the dryness under my eyes goes away and they feel really nice. Every single night I am reaching for the Sunday Riley C.E.O. face cream. It smells like oranges. And I just find that this moisturizer leaves me feeling so hydrated. See, that's the type of shine and glow I want from my moisturizers. Like a glazed donut. The C.E.O. face oil has become my go-to morning face oil. I don't care how late I'm running, I have to put this on. This also has turmeric in it, and let me tell you something. I make a lot of turmeric at-home face masks. Very messy, and it will stain your skin for 2 days. I love turmeric. I look for it in a lot of products. It's a challenging ingredient because it can be so staining when you're cooking with it. Of course, that is not the case with this oil. There's no staining. There's no yellow residue. So I feel like I finally found that balance between me making my at-home masks and still getting the benefits that I want from that ingredient. Throughout this video, as I've been putting on the products, look how nice and hydrated my skin looks. Do you guys like haul videos? Do you want to see more skincare products? Let me know in the comments below what brand you want to see next, and make sure that you are subscribed so you never miss a video. I'm Sloane Glass. This is the Sloane Series, and I'll see you next Wednesday.